this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on call barring on your Android phone. So what you want to do is go on down to the phone option right here in the bottom left. Then go to the keypad and go to the three dots and go to settings. Now when you're under settings, there's going to be an option for supplementary services down here at the bottom. Just select this. Now when we select this, you are going to have the option to block specific calls with call barring. So wait for this to load, and then you can see I have the option right here. You got call forwarding, call waiting, fixed dialing numbers, so we can just choose this now. Got voice calls, video calls. Let's go to voice calls, and we can pretty much block all outgoing calls, international calls, all incoming calls, etc. if we want. And we can do the same thing for video calls. So look at this as an option, and I'm using a Samsung Galaxy phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.